all light is made of moving photons and nothing else at all. And all photons are made of electromagnetism and nothing else at all. So all light is entirely made of very tiny moving specks of electromagnetism that we call photons. So how exactly do the photons move forward at the speed of light? Every photon is half made of electricity and half made of magnetism, and nothing else. The electricity and magnetism work together to propel the photon forward at the speed of light. Here is an analogy to explain how this works. In a photon, imagine the electricity leapfrogging over the magnetism and landing a little forward. In doing so, the electric half of the photon transfers all its energy to the magnetic half of the photon. Now the newly energized magnetism leapfrogs back over electricity and also lands a little forward. In doing so, the magnetism transfers all its energy back to electricity. So the electricity and magnetism leapfrog over each other, back and forward, galvanizing the photon forward at the speed of light. This leapfrogging movement of the two halves of a photon is known as oscillating electromagnetism. The photon never runs out of energy because this energy moves back and forward between the two halves of a photon, and never leaves the photon. So the leapfrogging movement of the photons that propel light forward consists of oscillating electromagnetism. In science, this oscillating movement of electromagnetism is described as a transverse sinusoidal movement. Here's an image depicting the transverse sinusoidal movement of a photon. Think of each leapfrog going sideways instead of forward and you get the picture. So as the electric field jumps sideways over the magnetic field, it results in the magnetic field being pushed forward, always in a straight line. For more information, go to deliveredonline.com. See below.